Hi everyone and welcome back to our weekly market update. Last week from March 9 to 13, the Wuxi stainless steel market held its ground. We saw a straining US dollars and shifting Fed rate cut expectations. On the other hand, supply chain disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz, despite the macro volatility, spot prices remain steady in ground $2,190 per ton. Let's dive into the specifics by grade. First, prices for coal and hot rolled fuel 4 remained flat last week, with the private coal roll base price of $2,185 per ton. The logic here is simple. Downstream demand has finally fully resumed past holiday. This, combined with strong raw material costs, has provided a solid floor for spot prices. Moving to the 201, we saw a stable trend as well. Grade J2 cold roll is hovering around $1,250 per ton, while non-ferrous metals like copper took a slight hit. Manganese and high-carbon chrome prices actually climbed, keeping the cost support firm for the 200 series. As for the 430, prices stay firm at $1,260 per ton. We are seeing a nice recovery in new orders from downstream factories, which helped clear some inventory last week. As for the 430, prices stay firm at $1,260 per ton. We are seeing a nice recovery in new orders from downstream factories, which helped clear some inventory last week. So, why do we think prices are heading towards a bullish consolidation? Here's the data you need to know. For the first time since the holiday, we have seen a destocking cycle. Inventory levels are finally dropping as the March and April peak season kicks in. But here's the catch. Mills are ramping up while February production was down. The March schedule is set to jump 36% month-on-month to nearly 3.7 million tons. Mills are trying to bridge the holiday gap and bet on the peak season demand. Also, raw material uncertainty remains the biggest driver. Between the nickel ore quota delays in Indonesia and supply fluctuations in the battery-grade nickel sector, production costs are staying high. We expect prices to fluctuate between $2,180 per ton and $2,250 per ton in the short term. Do you think the peak season will arrive on due to absorb the massive March production surge? Just keep a close eye on Indonesia nickel policies and global shipping costs. They are definitely the wild card for Q2. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. For the most up-to-the-date daily pricing or custom quote for your next project, reach out to our website down below, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!